Hi everyone, welcome to my video where I'm going to build a shelf and frame for this wall hung vanity to sit on. I'm currently in the middle of a bathroom renovation and it's come to a grinding halt as we can't get supplies at the moment, so I thought it would be a good time to get this little vanity project sorted. This is the vanity that's come out of the bathroom. It's actually only a couple of years old as the previous owners had replaced it, but nothing else in the bathroom. The only issue is it's wall hung and not freestanding, and unfortunately we can't put the waste pipe through the wall, and my wife doesn't like to look at it, so we've got to come up with a solution to hide it. And we thought instead of trying to hide it completely with some ugly boxing or something like that, we would build some legs for it with a shelf on it, so you could put towels or whatever else on it, and that would probably hide the pipe in the back. So over here I've got the materials I'm going to use. I've just been out to buy some 42 by 42 clear pine, and I found this other stuff which is mixed size, but it's all 18 mil thick, and it's clear pine, but it's really dirty from being up on the roof. So I thought I'd rip some of this down and use that as the slats for the shelf. So let's get into it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. You can see that the vanity itself fits nicely on the new stand, and that on the top shelf there's some space for some towels. Kid's step stool fits underneath, and that you can barely see where the pipe will be. I'm not going to cut the hole for that right now. I'll wait till I do the vanity install in the finished bathroom. And at the same time, I'll fix the vanity to the new stand with a screw in each corner probably. And I'll also replace this tap and clean off the rest of this glue on the back here. But if you want to see the finished result, I'll be putting that up on Instagram once the bathroom is done. There's a link to my profile below, so you can check that out there. And as always, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on what I get up to next.